delicious, yummy jalebia. This looks great. Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to showing you one of my favorite dessert recipe, that is the iconic jalebia. I hope everyone had in your childhood time, and this is one of our favorite childhood dessert. In this video I'm going to share two types of instant jalebi, how to make quickly when someone is coming and you don't have a dessert in your home. So this is one thing you can quickly make in some time, like half an hour kind of time. So let's get started and see the recipe. Here are all the ingredients for the recipe. For sugar syrup, we need sugar, water, cardamom and lemon juice. This is for making a sugar syrup. Now on the right hand side, this is for first type of jalebi. And we need all-purpose flour, curd, baking powder, yellow color and vinegar. So now take a mixing bowl and now add all-purpose flour or maida, 1 cup. Now add yogurt 1/4 cup, and vinegar 1 teaspoon, baking powder half teaspoon. You can add the color later after mixing everything. So now we have to add water, half cup to 1 cup. So water you have to add in a small portions to make a thick batter. See the consistency? Now add half pinch yellow food color to a mixture and give a good mix. Now the batter is ready and has pouring consistency. Leave the batter for resting for 30 minutes. Second step, let's make the sugar syrup or chashni. So here start the gas and take a deep pan and now add water 1 cup. Now add green cardamom 3 to 5 nodes. This actually gives a nice flavor to the sugar syrup. You can also make the powder and then add it, it's up to you. Now add sugar 2 cup. Now mix well and let the syrup simmer until the sugar dissolves completely. When the sugar dissolves completely, cook the syrup for 4 to 5 more minutes. Let's check the syrup. Take the syrup between your syrup and thumb and then stretch apart. You will see a small formation of thread. So this is the right consistency for chashni. After 30 minutes, the batter got rested. Now fill the batter in the bottle for making jalebis. Usually we get a special cloth for making the jalebi, but you can use this plastic bottle or plastic cone as well. Now take a pan and pour some ghee for frying for jalebi. The oil is well heated. Let's start making the jalebis. So we are using desi ghee for frying the jalebis, but you can use any other cooking oil as well. See, this is the shape, but you can make any shape. This is the jalebis. It's all different shapes and flip the sides of jalebis when roasted and continue frying the jalebis until they get golden brown and crispy. One more time. Let's make the red jalebis again. See, it's coming round. So it's completely depend on your practice. So you have to make it more and more, and then you can get a nice shape of it. Now the jalebis are ready and have soaked the sugar syrup rightly. Move on to the next style of making instant jalebi. Here are all the ingredients for the recipe. We need all-purpose flour, ghee, garam flour or besan, a color, empty bowl, water, sugar and dry yeast. So here take a small bowl and add sugar 1 teaspoon, add water 3 tablespoons, now add instant yeast half teaspoon. Mix these 3 ingredients and leave aside for 20 minutes. Now take a big mixing bowl and add all-purpose flour or maida 1 cup, besan 1 tablespoon, ghee 1 tablespoon, little mix, and water half to 1 cup, but you have to put water in a small portions to make a thick batter. Make sure there is no lumps in the batter. See the consistency. So now add half a pinch of orange food color to the mixture and give a good mix. Now add the yeast water mix which we have made earlier, then mix well. So it's been 20 minutes and you can add now. Now the batter is ready and has pouring consistency. See? Now fill the batter in this bottle for making jalebis. Usually we get a special cloth for making the jalebis, but you can use this plastic bottle or plastic cone as well. Now take a pan and pour some ghee for frying for jalebi. The oil is well heated. Let's start making the jalebis. So we are using desi ghee for frying the jalebis, but you can use only any other cooking oil as well. See, this is the shape, but you can make any shape. This is the jalebis. It's all different shapes and flip the sides of jalebis when roasted and continue frying the jalebis until they get golden brown and crispy. Now the jalebis are ready and have soaked the sugar syrup rightly. Did you see how beautiful they came out, and delicious and very yummy and good in taste? Actually, little bit, a very small piece I gave to my little one and she loved it. She wanted more. So obviously I can't give more because it's sugar. So yeah, so for kids is thumbs up. So friends, if you like this recipe, so please give me a thumbs up to my video. Share your comment section, share your comments in my comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye, and see you next time with new yummy recipe.